Hi everyone, let's discuss one more topic, that is your measurable set. So here, see the definition. Let a subset E of R. So here, E is any set which is a subset of R. Let this be as a E. So here they have given E is a subset of R. Then is said to be, this E is said to be a measurable set or a Lebesgue measurable if each set A is a subset of R. We have M star of A. M star of A is nothing but outer measure of A is equal to outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. What it means that if you want to check any given set is measurable or not, this E is your subset of R, we have to check whether this is measurable or not. For that, you have to take another set which is a subset of R. Let A is a subset of R. We have to take, to check this is your measurable set, what you have to do? You have to take another set A such that A is divided into two parts. What we have to do? We have to take a subset of R and we have to divide this A in two parts. See, this is your common part. So this will be your A intersection E, and this part is known as the A intersection E complement. This whole set is E. If you remove this part, it will become E complement. So A intersection E complement. Okay. So just if you, A is nothing but A can be written as A intersection E union A intersection E complement. We can write A as this is your A part and this shaded part. This part is your A intersection E and this part is your A intersection E complement. If you do the union, you will again get the A. So outer measure is, if you apply the outer measure to this, it will become M star of A is equal to M star of A intersection E plus, because of M star is M star is your countably additive. So M star A intersection E complement. So we say that any given set is measurable if it satisfies this condition. What is this condition? That is M star of A must be equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. Now let's discuss note. We know that A can be written as A intersection E union A intersection E complement. We can write A as a intersection E union A intersection E complement, and we have studied, we know that M star is countably subadditive. M star is countably subadditive. So here M star is countably subadditive. If you apply the outer measure to this, it will become M star of A is less than or equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. So we can say that if E is your measurable set, this condition is going to be hold good. That is, M star of A is always less than or equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. If you want to prove that any set is measurable, what we have to do? We have to show that this condition is satisfied. Okay, to show this condition is satisfied, what we have to do? To prove A equal to B, A is any set, B is any set, what you used to do? A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, or we are going to prove that A is less than B and B is less than A. Okay, to prove M star of A equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement, what we have to show? We have to show that M star of A is always less than or equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement, and we have to show that M star of A is always greater than or equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. So because M star is countably subadditive, this condition holds good always. So M star of A is always less than or equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. To prove any set is measurable, just we have to show this condition. So from these two we can say that it satisfies the condition of measurable set. That's why given set is measurable. Let's discuss the properties of measurable set. A set E is any given set, that is measurable set. What they have given to you? E is measurable set. If and only if E complement is also measurable set. What we have to prove that if E is your measurable set, then its complement is also measurable set, we have to prove. And in converse part, we have to prove that if E complement is measurable set, then E is also measurable set. So now let E is your measurable set, then with the help of this statement, we are going to prove that E complement is also measurable set. If any set is measurable set, by the definition we can say that for any A which is a subset of R, it must satisfy the condition of measurable set, that is M star of A must be equal to M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. Let it be as your equation. Why? Because they have given that E is measurable set. If E is measurable, it must satisfy this condition by the definition. Now, we know that E can also be written as E complement of complement. What is the value of E complement over complement? That is nothing but E. So, replace this E by E complement of complement. So, it will become M star of A equal to M star of A intersection E complement over complement plus M star of A intersection E complement. Okay. Now, arrange the term. You will get A outer measure of A M star of A intersection E complement plus M star of A intersection E complement over complement. So, this is nothing but definition of outer measure. We have to prove that E complement is also a measurable set. So, it satisfies the definition of measurable set. What is the definition of measurable set? That M star of A must satisfy the condition of measurable set. Instead of E, we have to prove that E complement is measurable. So, we got M star of A intersection E complement plus M star of A intersection E complement over complement. So, we can say that E complement is measurable set. In converse part, what we have to prove? We have to assume that E complement is measurable set. If E complement is measurable, it must satisfy the condition for all subset of R, that is M star of A is nothing but it will be equal to M star of A intersection E complement plus M star of A intersection E complement over complement, because E complement is your measurable set. So, that's why it must satisfy the condition. Now, M star of A, this implies M star of A equal to M star of A intersection E complement plus M star of A intersection E complement of complement. It is nothing but it is a E. Now, arrange the term, you will get M star of A intersection E plus M star of A intersection E complement. Now, E satisfied the condition of measurable set. So, we can say that E is your measurable set.